Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change font of all slides in PowerPoint. You are going to access your PowerPoint presentation. There you see the current fonts of the available slides. After this, access the View menu and click on the Slide Master option. Now in the Master Title field, select the available text. From the pop-up menu, you will change the font type and, if you wish, adjust the size. Now in the View menu, click on Normal. As a result, you will see the font change applied to all slides. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.